Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can redeem your Doordash gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and simply tap open your Doordash app. So once you tap open your Doordash app, you will be redirected to its homepage after it boots itself up. After it is completely booted up, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to simply tap on the accounts option. So as you press on accounts, you can scroll down and simply tap on the gift cards. So after you tap on gift cards, you will be redirected to this page. Now all you need to do is simply go and enter the card pin number and simply press on redeem gift card. This way you can redeem your Doordash gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.